My cat, it's my cat. Hello, it's my summer touch. I'm trying to catch the last sun rays because it's already the sun is going down and I'm outside in my yard, and I'm going to show you today the Cadeneta notebook, which it will be my third one. This is one of this. It's going to be my traveler's notebook. Yeah, which is what I don't have in my collection. I have big collection of traveler's notebooks and ring planners, but not A5 or A5 plus TN. We'll see. Here is her card, and this is her shop, cadenetashop.com, and her Instagram. And here it is. This is non-leather, so if you don't like leather, or if you don't buy it for any reason, this will be for you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So here it is. So what I wanted the A5 or A5 plus traveler's notebook. Oh yes, you see there is a really big back pocket. Oh my gosh. Yes. But you know, there is no elastics here. I don't know why. So this is my art journal, which I really enjoy doing. It's more like my manifestation journal. Let's do it like that. So I'm having a lot of fun with this. So what I did, I just told her the dimensions and she made it for me. Yes, oh my gosh, finally I'm going to have this. Finally. I can do it like that. You see there is a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots. And here is the pen loop and the pocket and the very big back pocket. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm going to have my own A5 notebook cover or traveler's notebook. I have covers for the A5 journals, but not for the A5 plus. You know, this is like Russian version of the composition notebook, you see, and it looks, yeah, really much like American composition notebooks. It's like this, the width is A5, but there is the extra like margins. It's around 2 centimeters, so it's not 14.8 centimeters width, it's 16.8 centimeters width. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I love it. I want to do and try a 5 traveler's notebook from my own printables from my shop, mysummertouch.com, and I want to put it here, and so I will have my planner and I will have my art journal on it all in one. Yeah. And the color is camel. You see, she didn't have, I wanted this kind of color, but she didn't have it. Probably she changed the materials. This is the traveler's notebook that is wider than the standard. So this is the standard, this is white, and this is A5 plus notebook. That's how it is. I like it. Oh my gosh. Finally I have it. Thank you very much. And please subscribe and like. And we'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.